Today we will be opening the Neo Destiny trading card game pack. It was not $3.29. I really wish it was. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for a shining Charizard here. And as usual, we try to be extra careful with these. And here we go. Starting it off with a Ghastly Dark Octillery, Porygon, a Unknown, Unown. I used to think these were called a Unknown, but I guess. Little Sheep, Mareep, Fam, Himochan. I have the original one, base set. I actually have a lot of those. And my rare is a Light Dragonair. Let's see what else we get. A Light Flareon. These are pretty cool cards. Scyther. Counterclaw. And that is it. Once again, this was an original Neo Destiny pack. And still, greatest card ever. Thank you.